unusual, I guess, because unlike all the other people here, I'm from Russia. Yeah, and I lived in Ukraine for about a year. And when this craziness happened, I was like, what the f*** is going on? Because it's just insane, and it's insane, and Russia will pay for it for like many years, and Putin should be trialed. She's very happy to be here because it was like a very long way from Kyiv to Hungary. We spent like almost 5 days on the road, and it was like almost every day there was like bombings or shootings or something. But finally we managed to get here, which is unbelievable almost.